Do you find yourself hesitating before reaching for that top shelf, wondering if your shoulder will catch or send that sharp, familiar jolt of pain? Or how about that simple, frustrating inability to put on a coat or reach behind your back without wincing? Feeling that stiff, locked sensation that just makes you feel older? What if all the stretches and exercises you've tried are failing because they're targeting the symptom, not the real cause? What if your tight, painful shoulder isn't a shoulder problem at all, but a back problem? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple 5-minute morning routine that targets the one missing link almost everyone ignores: your thoracic spine. This is the hidden key to unlocking true shoulder mobility and freedom, and it starts the second you get out of bed. We've been told to stretch the shoulder, but here's the truth. Your shoulder joint is a prisoner. The real culprit is your upper back, your thoracic spine. From years of sitting, driving, and looking down, it gets rounded and stiff, frozen in place. Your shoulder blade, which needs to glide freely across your ribs to let you lift your arm, gets stuck on this rigid cage. When the blade is stuck, the ball and socket joint of your shoulder has to do all the work. It's forced into bad positions, causing that pinching, inflammation, and awful catching feeling. This is why just yanking on the shoulder itself never works. You're just pulling on a joint that's being held hostage. That constant fear of a pop or a tear makes you avoid movement, which only makes the stiffness worse. It's a vicious cycle of pain and limitation. But we can break that cycle right now. This 5-minute routine is gentle, and it's designed to be done first thing in the morning before the stiffness sets in. First, just sit on the edge of your bed. Place your hands behind your head, elbows wide. For 1 minute, gently arch your upper back, looking towards the ceiling. Feel that stretch between your shoulder blades. Then, gently round forward. This isn't a crunch. It's about reintroducing the one movement your spine is starved for: extension. You're waking it up. Next, for minute 2, stay seated and cross your arms over your chest. Gently twist to the right as far as you can without moving your hips. You're isolating that upper back. Hold for a breath. Come back to center. Twist left. This rotation is critical for reaching, and you're reminding those small, stiff muscles how to move. From minute 3, stand up and find a wall. Stand with your back against the wall, feet slightly forward. Try to get your butt, upper back, and head to touch the wall. Now, raise your arms into a goalpost position, trying to press your elbows and the back of your wrists against the wall. This will feel hard, and that's the point. Slowly slide your arms up the wall, only going as high as you can while keeping contact. Then slide back down, squeezing your shoulder blades together. This move is powerful. It's reprogramming the connection between your brain, your spine, your shoulder blades, and your arm. It's the ultimate shoulder unlock. Finally, for the last 2 minutes, get on your hands and knees. Sit back on your heels into a child's pose. Now, walk both of your hands over to the right side until you feel a deep stretch all along your left side, from your lat muscle up to your armpit. Hold for 1 minute. Then, walk your hands all the way to the left side and hold for the final minute. This releases the tight muscles that pull your shoulder down and forward. That's it. 5 minutes. Before your coffee, before the day takes over. You're not just doing stretches. You are fundamentally changing the foundation of your movement. You're sending a signal to your body that it is safe to move. You're unlocking your back so your shoulders can finally be free. Imagine next week, reaching for that coffee mug on the high shelf, and nothing. No hesitation, no wince. Just smooth, easy movement. That feeling of independence, of not being limited by your own body, isn't a memory. It's your new reality. And it starts tomorrow morning.